All right, to see that beautiful little waterfall back there? Ain't that pretty? But now look at this right here. You see that house right there? You see these rocks right here? That's right, it's a miracle. If you look closely, all those rocks come down through here. The road's closed right there. There used to be a bridge. Well, there's still a bridge there, but there's not much left of it. Bridge is right there, it fell in. According to what I was told, part of those flash floods come down through here and just destroyed this whole stretch. But that house was spared. Come down through here. This is some kind of little housing community. Goes on down. It's another miracle. It's truly a miracle that all this stuff is going on, and it's fantastic. But let's get on before we get something done. So anyway, another miracle of Helene is that right there. That's absolutely beautiful. All right, rock on.